Everybody, this is Meenal Vijay Pense, and let's see what the month of August 2020 has in store for the sun sign Capricorns. The overall energy for the month for Capricorns is going to be that this month the Capricornians are really going to work very hard on themselves. So when I say working hard on themselves, it means sometimes you just kind of take a step back, cut off yourself from the world, and then just simply work on the different physical, mental, emotional aspects of yourself regarding the different areas of your life. So in a way, this month for the Capricorns is going to be a month where rather than looking at the outside, they are going to concentrate a lot of time and give a lot of time for themselves to look after on the inner and finer aspects of their own life. Moving on to the space of work, beginning with the workspace, what the Capricorns are going to do is this month there are high chances that you're very happy with the way things are progressing at your workspace. So let's say you are into being an architect. Okay, let's say you're an architect, so there are high chances that you might actually take up a course or a miniature course or a workshop or something that is going to help you fine tune your skills at work. So you're going to be very happy about it, you're going to be very excited about it. This month you're going to see to it that you're going to take up any kind of a thing that is going to help and make you learn the finer and newer aspects of your work at your workspace, and you are going to be extremely happy and excited about it. Moving on to the space of finances. Somehow finances for the Capricorns in the month of August 2020 are going to be a little bit of unbalanced. So basically what is going to happen is you are going to be a little bit burdened. So you might feel a little bit pressured, and you might feel oh, it's me who's got to take care of everything all the time, and where I spend, let's say for example, 1,000 a month, now I'm going to spend 3,000 a month. So the pressure is a little bit overwhelming and I'm not able to get over it. So finances this month could be a little bit overwhelming, they could be a little bit off balance, and they could create that pressure on you. So what you could do is basically, rather than getting annoyed about it or feeling pressurized, you could probably sort out your priorities, see which expenses are what under the category. You could just divide them into the category of necessity, comfort and luxuries, and then place them accordingly so that you understand the priority of the way you are going to spend your money for this month. That will kind of make you understand what expenses are necessary and what are not necessary. So this will kind of take off that pressure and load off you, and this is how the cards ask you to balance out your month when it comes to finances. When it comes to relationships, this month is a complete month of dialogues and more dialogues. Basically a month of complete communication. There is a possibility that you have just come out of a rough patch or already going through a rough patch in your relationship, and you might feel a little bit disturbed, or let's say emotionally unfulfilled in a relationship, and what you are feeling or going through is exactly what your partner also must be going through. So this month is all about making your partner sit down, having a word with them, and talking about the different alternatives and the various ways in which you can work with each other in this particular relationship. So in a way, this month for Capricorns when it comes to relationship is all about giving your emotional energy to a relationship, and this is completely via talking. You need to understand, you need to express how you feel about your partner in a relationship, and equally understand as to what your partner wants from a relationship. When this happens, the relationship, which is now a little bit hurting, progresses from being hurt to a little bit more healing stage. So this month is all about investing your emotional energies and giving your healing energies to your relationship with your partner via communication, and some more effective, soothing communication. Health wise, it is an excellent month. All of a sudden you will have this excess of energy and enthusiasm in yourself, and more than usual, and you might feel very happy about it, you know. So how do you channelize all this energy? You could probably go cycling. See, it is a lot of physical energy and enthusiasm that you're going to feel within yourself. Okay, so you could nicely channelize it. You can just go outside and invest yourself in some kind of an outdoor activities, probably cycling, swimming, running, jumping, anything that gets your heartbeat faster, anything that makes you feel pumped up is going to be very, very nice. But see to it that you channelize this energy, or else it could backfire.